Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the all-new Zeblaze GTS 3 GPS. This is a health and fitness GPS smartwatch. So Zeblaze reached out to me, asking me if I could review their latest watch. And the thing about this watch is, this is a very inexpensive watch. $20 to $40, around there. Let's open this up and see what it comes with. Push down here. It's pretty tight. Okay, get rid of that. So here's the watch right here. It looks a lot like Apple. Put it aside for now. See what else it comes with. Okay, we got the charger, USB, and it looks like it's might be magnetic. Yep, magnetic. Doesn't fall. This actually sticks on pretty. Got quite a bit of pressure there. Not bad. This side. Oh, what's this? Well, it even comes with a screen protector. You don't see that very often. Looks like an extra strap. Yes, so we have an extra strap. Velcro. You got the pin right there. You got the other pin right here. It's actually really soft. I'm not sure what material this is, but super soft. Pretty thick too, lightweight. Not bad, it comes with two straps. This one's more of a silicone. Okay, we got the manual. Pretty thick. So that's a QR code we need to scan to get the app, so we're gonna have to do that. All right, so there it is right there. So that's the app we need. Let's open this up, see if there's any battery in here. Okay. Zeblaze. Goes right to languages. And believe it is touchscreen, so yep. Next. Okay, welcome. So okay, we need to download the app. So we're gonna have to head over to the App Store to download the app. It's not bad. So because this is a health and fitness, it does have the heart monitoring option right over here. That's pretty cool. Okay. Not sure what that is. That might be for the voice, for sound. There's a little pin there. I'm assuming that's probably a reset. So this is your toggle. This could be locked into place. Unwind it for menu and stuff. Oh, we'll play around with it. We're gonna figure that out. Okay, right now let's set this up on the app. Okay, let's go to the QR. So this is the app that we need. Let's hit get. Okay, it's downloading. There it is. Okay, open. Get started. Next. 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 Get started. Looks like we're gonna have to set up an account. Find Bluetooth. Okay, so watch is on. We have to connect these two. So we detected it there. Okay, set up. Okay, I just got a code on the watch. I'm just going to enter the code. And now pair. And that's it. That's done. Okay, now it's asking for some information. Okay, allow notifications. Yes, if you're getting a call, text, at least you'll get it here. So over here, you can enter all your information, your height and stuff if you're going to use it for fitness. Okay, I entered my personal information. So now it's over here. I guess you can name your watch. Okay, so I got notifications on. Bluetooth calling is on. Next, I have to allow. I hit done. Okay, so once you enter all your information, this is what you're going to get. And right here it says Jason and the watch is connected. So here's the face gallery. So you could change. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there you could choose from. But if I go here, you got a lot more. You can even upload your own, add your own photo. So here's a couple more there, a couple more there. Landscape, you could change that as well. So a couple more there. Wow, okay. So you have a lot to choose from. So if I click on more, that's not bad. So if I click on here, so this is the face I have right now. All right, just to let you know, I did not charge this. And right here, it's saying it's 100% charged. So I guess they ship out all their watches already fully charged. So here's firmware upgrade. So it looks like, okay, my signal is excellent. But keep in mind the phone is right next to the watch. It's up to date. Here's general, repair, restart. So notifications, focus, reminders, brightness, tiles, find my watch. Okay, it's got find my watch. That's pretty cool. Ring my watch. So what happens if I do this? That's not bad. The phone vibrates and rings at the same time. Weather, health, workouts, SOS, world clock, and alarms. Okay, so far, this app is very, very user-friendly. So if I go to preferences, so we could change the time format, the week, first day of the week, it's Monday, we could change it to Saturday or Sunday, depending on your workout. So over here, you could change your other stuff as well. So that's pretty cool. So they try and make it user-friendly for everybody. So you got medals up here as well. So you could set your own goals and you get a medal for doing it as well. Right now I got 0, obviously, because I just set this up. So my goals here at the bottom. So this is it over here. So that's what my goal is. It's preset for 8,000 steps, calories 350. So if I click on here, you could change it up and down. It's pretty easy to set up. So far it's not bad. It actually works really well. Okay, very comfortable on the wrist. Looks like sleep mode. So it gives you the time, the date. We could change the interface. I just left it the way it is right now. So I see a little guy running here. If I click on it, okay, so outdoor running, you can hit start, cycle, oh, even swimming. So this is all under workout. And you can do more if I click on it. Oh, it's quite a bit. It's still going. Soccer. So it'll keep track of all this. And even has other. So you got the GPS there too. So if I swipe to the side, here's your steps. It's measuring my heart rate right now. Sleep. So if you wear the watch, it'll actually monitor your sleeping. Nothing there. Let's go back the other way. So we got some other options here too. So there's, looks like you can take a picture. It's got, I'm not sure what that is. Not connected. Okay, you can't swipe. So let's go over here and we got the weather. And you swipe one more time and there's the workout. And it also keeps track of it. Let's go back to the main page. If I swipe down, looks like it picks up my emails. That's pretty cool. Clear all. No notifications. Okay, if I swipe up, we got all this. So you got a couple options here. There's even the flashlight option. There's the mute, brightness. So the higher you keep it, the more battery it wastes. Okay, so let's exit out of there. What happens? Okay, if you turn the wheel, it actually swipes through all this stuff as well. Gives you a little bit of a vibrate. So if I press the button in, okay, we got more options. So it looks like these are all the shortcuts. Now you swipe up, you got a few more. That's actually not, like this thing's got so many options on it. I don't think half of these you're gonna ever use, but it's pretty cool to have all this right here in your fingertips. So how could you go wrong with this watch? So tell me, where are you gonna find a watch with all these features for under $50? I think this is incredible. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. So if you guys are interested in this watch, I will have a link in the description with a discount code. If you guys have any questions, please put it below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.